So if you want to learn how to make money online, where's the first place you're gonna go?
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
TikTok, right?
What did he say?
All right, so TikTok's probably not the first place that you're gonna go when you're looking to make money online or learn how to make money online, but there are a ton of gurus on TikTok, make money online gurus, saying that they can help you learn how to make crazy amounts of money online in very short periods of time. If it was that simple to make money online, everybody would be rich, right? So I am starting a series where I'm gonna take methods that people are preaching on TikTok on how to make money online, and I'm gonna see if they work. But I can't do it alone. This is a huge task. I can't do it alone. So who am I gonna get to help me? I got my trusty sidekick, Detective Rockachu, here to help me on the case. He's gonna do all the work while I just sit back, drink coffee, relax, do my thing. Look at the camera. No, dude, look at the camera. Like I told you. Look at the camera. All right, you're obviously not interested. So when you search make money online on TikTok, the first person to pop up here is DCrow99, and he says how to make $1,325 with one photo, and it's not OnlyFans. So doesn't get better than that. If you scroll down a little bit, I went through all these, but I found another person right here, and she says how to make $2,500 by posting pictures, and it is the exact same method. I'm gonna run that first TikTok video for you right now so that you can see what they're claiming, and then I'm gonna explore whether or not it works and whether or not you can make money off it. Rocco, start the tape. Rocco, dude, start the tape, the TikTok. We were talking about it before the video. The TikTok, Rocco, run the TikTok. All right, I'll do it myself.
This is how you can make over $1,300 with one photo. And no, this is not OnlyFans. Head over to ClickASnap.com and sign up. You will be getting paid 25 cents per photo view. So let's see here. These are all the photos that are on here. Let's click a picture of these paws. So just a picture of a cat's paws got 5.3K views. So if we did 5,300 times 25 cents, that makes it 1,325.
So, I'm gonna hop onto the computer, I'm gonna start an account on ClickASnap, and then let's see how this works.
2 hours later.
Instructions are pretty simple. Go to ClickASnap.com, hit the login, and then you just upload some photos. Some things that I did realize though is that this is not completely free. So on ClickASnap, you actually have to pay to be able to get paid through the site. There are different membership levels. There's the free, ad-free, and then there's the seller, and then there's the pro seller. So naturally, since the TikTok guy told me that I'm gonna make $1,300, I went for the top level because I'll make it back, right? Oh, and then click back for ClickASnap to come up on. All right, so I went through my phone, I went through my computer, I found 6 beautiful pictures, I uploaded them. I'm already getting a couple views here. I have 24 views right now, and we're just gonna have to see what happens here. I did upload a beautiful profile picture. Up there I have a banner image. I like taking photos and uploading them for you to enjoy. I think people are gonna like that. So I'm just gonna let this sit. I'm gonna see you tomorrow and we will see how much money we made in one day.
Day 2.
All right, I'm sorry I lied in the last video. It's been 2 days. So I want to share with you a couple things that I've learned over the last 2 days on ClickASnap. And it's basically how it works. So you sign up, you upload photos, people look at your photos, you get paid. And it seems pretty simple. It is pretty simple. But in order to actually count as a view on your photo, you actually have to get someone to look at your photo for 5 seconds. So once somebody looks at your photo for 5 seconds, that counts as a view. That's how you get the money that you get from the view on your photo. There are a couple ways that you can get more views. The easiest way to get views on your photos is you just go onto other people's photos, comment on them, just say like, if it's a picture of a mountain, beautiful mountain. If it's a picture of a dog, wow, your dog is so cute. Chances are that if you put a ton of comments out there, people are gonna come onto your profile and check you out, see what kind of photos you've uploaded. So if you're really into photography, if you're really into creating photos and you just like putting photos on Instagram or Facebook or wherever, then this is actually a great platform for you because you can just put your photos out there. If they get a ton of views, you make money. It's pretty simple. It's a simple concept. But anyways, let's get into the results here. All right, as you can see, I've uploaded 32 new photos because I was getting some views on my initial photos here. I got, look, 8, 9, 12, 5, 2, and I'm thinking, hey, this guy told me I can make 25 cents per photo. Here we got 8 views. times 25, that's $2. So I'm thinking, wow, I made some money off of this. I put Detective Rocco Chew up there, 120 views. So, I mean, if this guy's correct, what, 120 times 25, well, 4 is $1, so that's $30, right? So $30 I should get. That's quick math. So why don't we just take a look and see what I actually made? We're gonna check the earnings. 29.6 cents. That's like less than a quarter of a penny per view at that point. So if we go back to my man DCrow99's TikTok, I'm trying to find it here. I need these dogs to stop barking. Detective Rockachu, can you tell them to shut the hell up? All right, so if we go back to my man DCrow99's video, you can see, which by the way has 250,000 likes on it. So, I mean, it's gotta have millions of views because not everyone viewing is gonna like, and I mean, you know how TikTok works, come on. So, if we go back to this guy's video, you will see that he tells us that we're gonna get 25 cents per view. And you might not have caught it in the beginning, because I didn't catch it in the beginning. It took me a second to realize that he was lying to us the whole time. DCrow99 lied. If you go on to ClickASnap.com on the homepage and hit how it works, which is right on the homepage, it shows you right now it's 0.40 cents, not 40 cents per view. At the time of this guy's video, it was 0.25 cents per view. So no, DCrow99, you can't make $1,300 from one video unless you got, I don't have the quick math for this one, 520,000 views on a photo. You'd have to get a lot of views. That's a lot of, I mean, come on, that's a lot of views. Don't be lying out here telling everybody that they can make that much money from one photo and getting their hopes up thinking that they're just gonna upload a photo and make that kind of money, because I uploaded 38 beautiful photos. Some that had Detective Rocco Chew in them, just perfect photos, and I didn't make more than $1. And I gave ClickASnap $83. So I'm an idiot.
I'm an idiot!
All right, Detective Rocco Chew, so what's the verdict? Can you make this kind of money from one photo? Detective Rocco Chew left me. He went to go pick up some more coffee for us, so. All right, so he's gone. He's out of the picture, but let's talk about the conclusion. If you have a huge following and you're looking for a place to, create digital products or create physical products that you can sell, then this is a good opportunity for you. You can actually charge people to download your photos on ClickASnap. I mean, I just put all my photos up there for $1 per download. So if people actually download my photos, they want to use them, then go ahead and use my photos. Detective Rocco Chew is not gonna care. Other than that, it's not a way to get rich quick. It's not a way to get money quickly. Like my man DCrow99 said,
This is how you can make over $1,300 with one photo.
it's not a place that you can go and make money quickly. It's just not. But if you're into that and you want to put time and effort and upload a ton of photos, I mean, chances are that you're gonna get a couple views per photo. So if you want to just upload a ton of photos, that's one way to be successful on the platform, I guess. If you pay for a pro account, they push your photos to the front page as soon as you upload them for, I think, a couple minutes, it seemed like. So you'll definitely get more views that way. And if you have a ton of photos, I mean, there's no maximum amount of photos that you can upload, so there's an opportunity there. Beyond that, you're not gonna make a ton of money fast. You're not gonna make a lot of money unless you really put time and effort into it, just like anything, really, anything. You're gonna have to put time and effort into it. Anyone who says that you don't have to put time and effort into something and you're gonna make money fast, they're a liar. Stop listening to them. Anyway, my man DCrow99, my girl Anna Fox, they kinda misled you here. You're not gonna make that crazy amount of money off of one photo or a couple photos. That's it, my folks. Detective Rocco Chew and me on the case. Check back with us in a couple weeks, maybe next week, maybe 2 weeks, I don't know. We're gonna be doing this pretty often. So definitely subscribe if you like this. Definitely like the video if you like this, if you're entertained at all, if you've enjoyed it, if you've learned anything, let me know in the comment section below. If you think I'm ugly, you think I'm stupid, you think I'm an idiot, definitely let me know in the comments below as well. Either way, go out there, grow your brand, grow your online business, make some money online. Go head over to TikTok to the Financial Gurus on TikTok and learn from them, make a ton of money online through them. Have a great day.